Kodomo child. I was curious. I was a curious child. Watashi wa koukishin no tsuyu kodomo deshita. Umareru, to be born. I was born in the Philippines. Watashi wa Philippine de umare mashita. Sudatsu to grow up. I grew up in Quezon City. Watashi wa Quezon City de sodachi mashita. Kazoku family. I grew up in a supportive family. Sasayete koreku kazoku no nakade sodachi mashita. Ryoshin parents. My parents work hard for us. Ryoshin wa watashi tachi no tame ni eshuken mei hataraki mashita. Kyodai siblings. I learned many things from my siblings. Kyodai kara takusan no koto o manabi mashita. Gaku school. I went to school in Manila. Manila no gaku ni kayote mashita. Benkyu study. I studied hard as a student. Gakusei no toki ishoken mi benkyu shimashita. Kyoumi interest. Kyoumi interest. I was interested in technology. Gijutsu ni kyoumi ga arimashita. Yume dream. My dream changed over time. Yume wa jikan to tomo ni kawarimashita. Chousen challenge. I faced many challenges growing up. Seichu no nakade ooku no chousen ni aimashita. Shipai failure. I experienced failures. Shipai o keiken shimashita. Seiko success. I also experienced success. Seiko umo keiken shimashita. Manabu to learn. I learned from my mistakes. Machigai kara manabi mashita. Doryoko effort. I believe in hard work. Doryoko no chikara o shinjite mashita. Jishin confidence. Slowly I gained confidence. Sukoshi Jutsu Jishin ga Tukimashita.